Good morning, students. Welcome to Lord's Group of School Data. Today, discussion about if pair of linear equations is given, how to solve the two linear equations. Two methods are there. One is a substitution method. First, to discussion about substitution method means what is the given two equations? 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1. Equation 1. X minus y is equal to minus 1. Equation 2. Now, substitution method means given two equations, you have to select any one equation. Your wish that one. Now, I am selecting second equation. X minus y is equal to minus 1. From this, which one is selected? From that equation, you have to write subject x or y. Now, x as it is I am writing. Minus y you have to transfer to this side. Plus y. Already minus 1 as it is here. Now here x is equal to y minus 1 means x value y minus 1. Here what you get, this value substitute in another equation. This value comes from the second equation. X value substitute in equation, other equation is 1. Now first equation 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1. Now 3 into, in the place of x, what you got x value, that value right. 3 of y minus 1, must and should bracket, minus 5y is equal to minus 1. 3 into y, 3y, minus 3, minus 5y is equal to minus 1. Here 3y and minus 5 both are same different symbols, like terms. 3y minus 5y, minus 2y subtraction. Minus 3 transfer to this side plus 3. Already here minus 1 is there, comes to plus 3. Minus 2y is equal to 2. Now y is equal to 2 by minus 2. 2 will be cancelled, you will get minus 1. Y value minus 1. So this y value, now you have to substitute equation 1 or 2. Y value substitute in equation 2. 1 or 2, your wish. Now x minus place of y minus 1 is equal to minus 1. X minus into minus plus 1 is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. This side plus 1 transfer to here minus 1. X is equal to minus 2. Here x value got minus 2, y value is minus 1. So x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 1. So x and y values is 2. If you want a solution, minus 2 comma minus 1. This is the substitution method. This is substitution method. Next, the same equation, how to do the elimination method. Now discussion about elimination method. Elimination method. Elimination method means what are the given two equations? The two equations one by one write. 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1. X minus y is equal to minus 1. Now this is equation 2, this is equation 1. In elimination method means what are the given two equations? The two equations write one by one. 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1. X minus y is equal to minus 1. Next, first of all, you have to observe coefficients of x equal or not. In a first equation, x coefficient is 3. Second equation, x coefficient is 1. So the two are not equal. So that time, this total equation multiplied with second equation x coefficient. This equation total equation multiplied with first equation x coefficient. 1 into 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1. 3 into x, 3x minus 3y is equal to minus 3. Change the symbols, minus, plus is there minus. Why you change the symbol means, if these two are now equal after completion of the multiplication, X coefficients are X, these two terms are same terms only, as well as containing same symbol. The term cancellation is not possible. That I have to change the symbol. What is the actual symbol of the second equation? That symbol only have to change it. Here plus is there, minus is there, plus, minus is there, plus. Now that time these two will be cancelled. Minus 5y plus 3y. You will get minus 2y is equal to minus 1 plus 3 plus 2. Y is equal to 2 by minus 2. You will cancel it minus 1. When you compare these two x values, that time we are getting the y value. Next, if you want to x value, what is the two equations? 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1. X minus y is equal to minus 1. Now you have to observe the coefficients of y. Here 5 is there, here 1 is there. These two also not equal. That time you need multiplication. That time this total equation multiplied with y coefficient 1. In this equation y coefficient 5. 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1. 5 into x, 5x minus 5 into y, 5y is equal to minus 5. Change the symbol, these two are same symbol, you need to change the symbol. Plus is there, minus, minus is there, plus, minus is there, plus. These two will be cancelled. Plus 3x minus 5x minus 2x minus 1 plus 5 plus 4. X is equal to 4 by minus 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are, get minus 2. X value minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 1. If you want to solution, minus 2 comma minus 1. In substitution method, what values you getting? The same values you getting in a elimination method also. Next, one more method is there. If two equations are given, you have to solve the graphically means how to do graph representation. So graph means very simple way. What is the given two equations? The two equations you have to write it first of all. 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1. X minus y is equal to minus 1. Now you have to select one equation. Now we'll select this equation. 3x minus 5y. So that before, first of all, in a graphical representation means what type of lines will getting, you have to find out. How to find? You have to observe in a two equation, variables are one side, constant value one side. In second equation also variable one side, constant also one side. So both are same model only. That time first you have to represent 3x minus 5y minus 1 translate here plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus y minus 1 translate here plus 1 is equal to 0. After that, every time the coefficient of x always acting as a, the coefficient of y always acting as a b, constant is acting as a c. Now you have to taking two equation. From first equation means a1, b1, c1. Second equation means you have to say a2, b2, c2. Now we'll write a1 value 3, b1 value minus 5, c1 value 1. Next to a2 value 1, b2 value minus 1, c2 value 1. Next to that, a1 by a2 you have to find out, 3 by 1. b1 by b2 you have to find out, minus 5 by minus 1, 5 by 1. c1 by c2 you have to find out, 1 by 1. You have to observe after completion of the each ratio, a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 equal or not equal, you have to observe. Here these two are not equal. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Means must and should these two, what you have to draw in? The two lines must and should meeting, intersected. This is condition for intersecting. So how to draw the graph now? First of all, you have to select one equation. 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1. Very easy the table. First, what type of lines you have to identify using this model. After that, for graph purpose, you need one table. The table is simple, 3 values is sufficient. X, Y. In this table, one time X place you have to take 0, one time Y place you have to take 0. If X value take 0, substitute here. 3 into 0 minus 5y is equal to minus 1. This term will be 0, leave it. Minus 5y is equal to minus 1. Now y is equal to minus cancel 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is nothing but 0.2. Now you have to write 0.2. Next you have to take y value 0. Same equation only. 3x minus place of y you have to write 0. 5 into 0 is equal to minus 1. This term will be 0. 3x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 3 minus 0.3. 1 is not possible, keep 0. That and 10, 3 3s are 9, 0.3 that is going on, 0.3. Now in this case you are getting minus 0.3. This is the first equation. Comes to second equation, x minus y is equal to minus 1 is there. Same table you have to prepare. X value and y values. One time x is 0, one time y is 0. Now place of x substitute in this 0. 0 minus y is equal to minus 1. Minus y is equal to minus 1. Both will be cancelled. Y value 1. Keep here. Next y value take 0. Here x is 0, this one. Here y is 0. Substitute in same equation. X minus 0 is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Means x value minus 1. Here each table 2 ordered pairs you got. These two ordered pairs you have to take on a graph sheet. You have to represent. See, I will draw it here simply. X-axis, y-axis. Here values 1, 2 between only present. That term scale easy. On x-axis 1 centimeter 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter 1 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now to represent. Now x-axis and y-axis. Now here 0, 0.2 on y value on y-axis because x value is 0, 0.2. So here 1, 0 and 1 between on y-axis. Minus 0.3. X value is present, y value is offset. That time this is on x-axis 0.3, 0 to 1 between minus. Now you have to join these two, you will get the one straight line. You will get the one straight line. This straight line is represent to the 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1 equation. Next comes to second equation. 0, 1. 0, 1. X value is absent, y value is present. That point on y-axis 1. Minus 1, 0. Minus 1 here. These two have to join. These two have to join. This one particular place they are intersected. Here intersected. X value is minus 2. Y value is minus 1. So solution is minus 2, minus 1. Here what you get solution? That only get the solution. Point to first problem. First, what is here? The ratio of income of two persons 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditure is 4:3. If each of them it manages to save 2000 rupees per month, find their monthly income. This is one question. First discussion about first question only. Here two term income is there and expenditure, two ratios are given. What are the ratios? That ratios you have to write first of all. The ratio of income. The ratio of income of two persons 9:7. Now here ratio, what numbers are present? That is not a number. The ratio value always represent to the part only. Means here two persons income, one person is 9 parts, one person is 7 parts. That time, let first person income you have to take 9x. Second person income 7x. Means here 9x and 7x, two individual and writing in ratio numbers on multiplication in particular letter. Next to the ratio of their expenditure. The ratio of expenditure. Two persons. Given clearly 4:3. In this case, you take one another letter. First person expenditure 4y. Second person expenditure 3y rupees. Here, okay, first person income, second person income is completed. First person expenditure, second person expenditure completed. For example, for anyone but one employee, salary is 14,000. In a total rental purpose, everything, so 9,000 is completed. This is expenditure. This is a income. Salary is income. So how much is left? 5,000 rupees is saved. Means if you want to saving, means income minus expenditure. Income minus expenditure. Saving is nothing but income minus expenditure. Now I take the first person. First person. Saving is equal to, in first person income 9x minus first person expenditure 4y. Each of them saves 2,000 rupees. Is a first person saving per month 2,000 rupees. Second person also save 2,000 rupees. So saving 2,000 rupees is equal to 9x minus 4y. Write in order, 9x minus 4y is equal to 2,000. This is equation 1. Now comes to second person. In a second person saving also 2,000 rupees only. Second person income 7x minus expenditure. Second person expenditure 3y is equal to saving 2,000. Second equation. Now use this two equation. You have to solve this two equation. Two methods are there. The best method is elimination method. Now what is the two equation? Write one by one. Solve 1 and 2. 9x minus 4y is equal to 2,000. 7x minus 3y is equal to 2,000. You have to observe here x coefficients are not equal, y coefficients also not equal. By elimination method means any one variable coefficients are equal required, but no variable coefficients are equal. That time we need multiplication. So I will take this total equation multiplied with 7. Here I selected x coefficient, then you will also select x coefficient 9. 7 9s are 63x. 7 4s are 28y is equal to 7 2s are 14,000. Next to 9 7s are 63x. 9 3s are 27y is equal to 9 2s are 18,000. Now your x coefficients are same, but both are containing same symbol. If coefficients are not equal, you need multiplication. After completion of the multiplication, which are equal, both are containing negative symbol. In this case, you need symbol changing. Here plus is there, minus is there, plus is there, minus. That time these two will be cancelled. Minus 28y plus 27y minus y. 14,000 minus 18,000 minus 4,000. It cancel. Y value 4,000. This y value substitute in equation 1 or 2. Now I will substitute equation 1. Now y value substitute in equation 1. 9 of x minus 4 of plus of y 4,000 is equal to 2,000. 9x minus 4 4s are 16,000 is equal to 2,000. 9x is equal to 2,000 minus 16,000 comes to here plus 16,000. Now 9x is equal to 18,000. X is equal to 18,000 by 9, 2,000. X value 2,000. In a question, what he asked the question? Find their monthly income. Monthly income means X value is only required. So first person income. Nine into 2,000, 18,000 rupees. Second person income. Second person income 7x, 7 into 2,000, 14,000. This is it. If in a question find their monthly expenditure means you have to take y value 4 into y value 3 into y value 2% expenditure getting. But here question monthly income means x value you have to substitute in these two places. You will get the 2% monthly income. This is the model. Substitution first elimination method I did. After that I substituted the particular value. I will get the other variable value. Next comes to the larger of two supplementary angles. Here two questions very important angles questions. So condition, based condition. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18. Find the angles. Means let here clear mention a problem. Larger is there, smaller is there. Now you take let larger angle x degrees, smaller angle y degrees. Here larger of two supplementary angles means what is these two angles? These two, what is saying, what type of supplementary angles? So supplementary means what is the two angles? Sum of the two angles is 180 degrees. Therefore, according to problem, x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. X degrees plus y degrees is equal to 180 degrees. This is the first equation. Next in problem condition is there. Larger of two supplementary angles means in these two angles, larger angle is equal to larger angle is larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18. Exceeds means more than the smaller, means smaller angle plus how much more? 18. If we want to larger angle is exceeds the smaller angle by 18. Means if we want to larger, smaller angle plus 18. Larger angle you know that x, smaller angle you know that y plus 18. Now x plus y when you transfer to this side, minus y is equal to 18. This is second equation. Now you have to solve these two, 1 and 2. X plus y is equal to 180 degrees. X minus y is equal to 18 degrees. Now here coefficients all are equal only. So that are direct possible. Here these two are opposite symbol, that's why these two will cancel it. X plus x is 2x is equal to 180 plus 18, 198. X is equal to 198 by 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18. X value 99. Now this x value substitute in equation 1. X value substitute in equation 1 or 2. 2 I will substitute. X plus 99 minus y is equal to 18. This side plus 18 transit here minus 18. Minus y transit here plus y. 99 minus 18 is equal to y. Y is equal to 99 minus 18. How much? 1, 9 minus 8, 8, 81 degrees. This two summation only 180 degrees. This is the model. Here I did elimination method. You have to do substitution method only. How to apply substitution? Up to completion of this condition, x is equal to y plus 18. This is elimination method. If you want to substitution means this x value substitute in equation 1. X plus y is equal to 180. Here place of x, you know that y plus 18 plus y is equal to 180 degrees. 2y is equal to 180 minus 18. Now 2y is equal to 180 minus 18. Subtraction 162. Now y is equal to 162 by 2. 2 8s are 2 1s are 81 completed. This y value substitute equation, this one you will get the x value. Means up to here when you this one substitute in this equation, this is substitution method. If we prepare the equation two variables, after that this method is elimination method. Why I am explaining this two? Some cases like that giving problem. Find the angles by the substitution method. Means this only have to complete. By the elimination method means this method only have to complete. If not mention any method, you have to do in 2 out of 2 any method, not a problem. Next last one, 7th one. The angles are two complementary. Two angles are complementary. The larger angle is 3 degrees less than the twice the smaller angle. Find the angles. Now what is saying 7th question? Two angles are complementary only saying. Two angles are complementary. Larger angle is 3 degrees less than the twice the smaller angle. In this question also, larger one what is there? Smaller one what is there? Now first of all you take let larger angle x, smaller angle y. Smaller angle y. Now these two what type of is saying? Complementary. Complementary means sum of these two angles is 90 degrees. So x plus y is equal to 90 degrees. This is equation 1. Next in this question, what is the condition? The larger angle is, means larger angle is equal to 3 degrees less than, means minus 3. Twice the smaller angle. Twice the smaller angle means 2 into smaller angle minus 3 degrees less, minus 3. Now larger angle is represented with y. Two smaller angle represented with larger angle represented with x. Smaller angle represented with y, minus 3. Now here x is equal to 2y minus 3 by the substitution method. This is second equation. This equation you have to substitute in equation 1. Equation 2 substitute in equation 1. X place of x 2y minus 3 plus y is equal to 90. 2y plus y 3y is equal to 90 minus 3 transit here plus 3. 3y is equal to 93. Y is equal to 93 by 3. Cancellation 3 3s are 3 1s are 31 degrees. This y value substitute in equation 2. Y value substitute in equation 2. X is equal to 2 into 31 minus 3. 2 into 31, 62 minus 3. 62 minus 3, 59 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 59. y is equal to 31. Therefore, larger angle is 59 degrees, smaller angle is 31 degrees. Sum of these two angles will getting 90 only. That's why these two are complementary angles.